Hey guys, this is Raj from Game Gorillas, and I wanted to show you today the features of our new source code called Traffic Jammer. It's a car racing game. I'm sure of you guys checked the emails that we sent a couple of days ago, and some of you must have played, but we got a lot of inquiries from a lot of people asking more about the features of this game because they were not having Android devices with them. And plus, since a lot of people came back to us asking about the pricing and everything, I thought it's gonna be much better that instead of writing down a document, we'll probably make a video about it and then go through all the features of this particular game so you guys have a better idea. So without wasting much time, let me just go for it. Alright, the game basically, this is the main screen. We have the amount of money that we have right now. Of course, these are the in-app purchases. Currently this is in rupees, this is the Indian currency. Of course that changes to your own currency when you upload it from wherever the user is coming from. We have the cash doubler. Okay, we have the remove ads. It's pretty cool. Of course, we also have the free coins, which pops up the chart boost video ads, and once the user finishes the ad, he probably gets about 200 or I think 300 coins free of cost. So that's one way of increasing your revenue. Alright, so let's go to the options things first. We have in the steering, we have analog, we have tilt control. Of course, with the tilt control, the calibration settings pop up. We have the touch control. So in the touch control, there are two arrows for maneuvering the vehicle. In the acceleration, we have manual, and graphic quality, we can of course change it to as per our device. It can increase or decrease. We have the music, and we have the sound effects in the game. Let's play the game. Let's go to the next screen. The next screen is about the vehicles that you want to drive while playing the game. This is the basic vehicle, which is this car is actually free of cost. It's unlocked in the initial go. You have 3 colors as well, to choose from. And of course, the main important thing in this game is the upgrades. Not only with the paints, but the wheels, the alloys, and the speed, the handling, and braking. So a user spends a lot of time in this game, upgrading to different vehicles and seeing and unlocking everything, and that's basically gives these games a very high retention rate. Now let's probably go to another vehicle. Let's choose, okay, let me choose not this one. Let me choose, let's see. Alright, so this is 120,000 coins. So since I have the money, why not purchase this? Now as you can see, I have this main color, then I have the blue color, the red one, that looks pretty nice, and I can probably unlock the black color for 1,000 coins, and of course the gray one, don't like it that much, probably stick with black. And of course, let's do one thing. We can always upgrade the alloys. And I just want to tell you guys that every car, and even in your reskin package, every car, there are going to be 5 cars. 5 cars are going to be having 7 color combinations. Of course, these more, I think there are about 8 wheels, and of course all these features as well. So you guys know that we're going to be putting a lot of effort into the reskinning of this particular code. So let's again let's try to change. Okay, alloys look nice. Okay, I'll probably stick with this. This is not bad. And let's probably upgrade the braking and the handling. Now the speed, handling, and braking basically upgrade 3 times. It's not just a single time that they upgrade. It's different upgradations, which of course uses a lot more coins, and again makes the user play the game a lot more. Alright, so let's just move to the next screen. Now the most important thing, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 game modes in this game, making this killer in high retention rates. This absolutely, and of course Google and Apple algorithms are now starting to move towards, in fact Google has already has put this in majority of the algorithms, where the user retention is a major factor on the ranking of this particular app. And with so many modes and so many upgrades in the game, the user keeps on coming back, and that's the best part about this game. Now let's see, endless one way, we have endless two way. Let's start with the endless one way. Alright, again, It just keeps getting better and better. Now we just don't have one location, we have 4 locations in the game. Again, 2 locations are unlocked and the other 2 are need to be purchased. This is, you know, when you start playing the game, you realize that, you know, probably want to go to a different location. You know, even in your reskin package, you could give it any theme that you want. You know, give this game an off-road, a hot rod theme, a monster truck theme, anything that you guys want. You know, a police chase theme or anything at all. That's going to work. And you can probably give. We've given, you know, locations around the world, and probably you can just give anything else that you guys want according to your theme. But anyhow, let's go to Tokyo. And you'll see the audios and everything change, the entire scene change according to the particular theme. Alright, I think okay, this is not going to work that great with the analog system. Okay, when the speed is greater than 100, you will get bonus points for close overtakes. That's the main tutorial, and let's go for it. Okay, I'm probably going to crash because I'm using this analog system. Let me just oh shit, I'm gonna play again. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Alright, let me. Alright. I should have just played again. Sorry about this. Alright. I need to change from the options. Let me show you. This is touch control where the 2 arrows are there. Analog, you can just check. Okay, so basically this is a dragger where you use 1 finger, and let me just go to the tilt control, which I personally like very much, where the user basically can tilt the device to move the vehicle. Now the objective of this game is to dodge the traffic and not to crash in cars. It's pretty simple. Audios are given to different vehicles so that, you know, they're more interactive in the game, like the police siren there, and of course okay, I didn't see that one. Let's play again. You can see one more thing I want to show you is that there's another braking control as well. You know, once the user touches the screen, you know, using the tilt control, there's a brake functionality. Now let me show you another one. Touch. Yeah. No. Tilt is fine. Acceleration is auto, the one that we were playing right now, and there's another manual one. Let's see, so you will probably have, yeah, so you'll have the braking, and so it's got too many modes, you know, you guys, depending on what your player is asking for, you know, we have tons of settings within this. So, you know, we've got pretty much everyone covered, every user covered. Of course, so we have the one more functionality here, which is the horn, and there's the flasher. Now, you'll see what these things do is that while playing the game, you have the dipper settings. Now let me just go there. What it does is that when you're rushing through traffic, you can use this. Let me just go to automatic. It's fine. Alright, so when I'm rushing through traffic, what I can do is I can use this to separate the traffic, you know, probably, and the traffic actually turns when you use the dipper. Maybe it's not happening right now because the computer that I'm working on, it works in, but it should. Maybe give it a sec. Or the car is actually, yeah. So if you can, as you can see, this what generally happens when you put the dipper in. The enemy cars or the other cars give you space to overtake your vehicle. It's happening pretty fast because I've upgraded the entire speed of this vehicle, but it's pretty good to play. Anyhow, we have the leave review functionality here, which goes to the store, and yeah, that's just open. Okay, we can probably have a look at that later. And that goes to the store so that the user can upgrade his vehicle. And as in how you keep playing this game, you keep getting more coins, which you can of course use for your upgrades. Now let me probably show you some other scenery, and you can some other levels of this game. Now we have endless two-way. Let's play this one in Texas. Now in the previous one you guys saw that we have just one way of going in front, you know, there was no traffic incoming. This makes this version makes it a little tougher, where you'll see that the traffic is going to come from front. Okay, yeah, so But the trick here is that you can actually start driving in this particular lane to get more points. So this increases the difficulty level of the game. Now you've seen this particular version. I think this is in Texas. As you can see, the entire scenario changed, entire scene changed, and it's pretty cool. Let's just crash into something now. Okay, you can see here in the opposite direction. You probably were there for like 6 seconds or something. All right, let's go to the garage again, and let's play. Now we have your best local scores. You can see 671 was my top score in the endless one way. In the endless two way, I have 1520. Now there's another time trial road. Let's unlock Moscow for this, and let's play this. Alright. Now this is a time trial mode in which I think we play for 100 seconds, and what we need to do is we need to get as many points as possible. I think I missed out the most important thing in the game is that once you travel above 100 kilometers an hour, or you can just change it to 100 miles an hour, once you drive close through the traffic. Now of course in this mode you don't die because you're working on the time in the 100-second mode, and you can see that as I drive close by cars, I'll be getting more and more points. 100 plus 100 it said, and let's see this. Okay, I'm pretty bad at this on the computer. I'm actually pretty good at this on my phone though. Alright, so you can see, so this is the time trial version. Let's go back again, the main menu. Okay, one more time, and this is a free ride. Now this is something that players would like to play around their new vehicles, their new upgrades, just to get a hang of how the vehicle works with the new upgrades, or with the new tires and speed changes. But one more thing which I found it very beneficial for is that I could change the traffic density to 0 and probably give this game to my nephews and nieces and my son, and they were actually pretty busy for a long time playing this. So you guys could use that, or your players could actually be very happy with 0 density when no players come up and kids are just moving around playing with it, or testing your. So this is a night scene. Of course, you guys, in the reskinning we have 4 different locations, so in that package you get 4 different locations for yourself, so it's not just one thing repeated. We've got all the 4 locations covered for you. Now you can see this is a night scene, and it's pretty, of course there's no traffic because we changed the density to 0, and over time we're just gonna get, I think there's a little bug in it on the computer where I'm getting 100 plus. Anyhow, so we've got that covered, and I guess I've explained pretty much everything in this particular code, but let's see if we've missed everything, if we missed anything at all. Let's see. Alright, in the reskinning you guys will get 7 different cars. I think it's 7 or 5. You get variations in the cars, you get everything, and it's gonna be, and of course it's made in Unity, so it's cross-platform. You upload this on iOS, Amazon, Android, Windows, and all the other things that Unity supports, all the other stores that Unity supports. So it's a very cool code. We put a lot of effort in it, and one thing that I want to tell you guys is that if you were to get a game like this made from scratch from a developer, it would easily cost you anywhere between $40,000 to $50,000 and 4 to 5 months of effort put into it. So we've got to put a lot of effort into it, and it's something you guys should not miss. Racing categories, boom, one hit, and you guys are pretty much set for a long time. Anyhow, I think I've pretty much cleared all the features. And for the guys who have iPhones and no Android devices, hope it's clear now, and have fun playing with it. And if you guys are interested, drop me a line. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. Take care and good luck, and wish you guys a very, very happy new year. Bye bye.